Oh, you look at that. The blizzard actually left me a little pathway to get to my car, so I don't have to shovel. But I still gotta wait for my cousin to come to plow out in front of me there. Yep, can't see the train station. God, there is easily 3 feet of snow out here. Just the way it looked in 1978. The only difference is there was thick woods across the street there. The train station wasn't as nicely built up with a parking lot 35 years ago. Hey, at least my street's plowed. I still think 1978's the champ.